Are you in search of a high-yielding dividend income holding that can potentially give your portfolio a boost? Well, you've come to the right place. We're about to embark on a journey through the fascinating world of high-yield dividend income. Dividend income, for those who might be new to this term, is the money you earn from owning shares of a company, which they pay out to their shareholders from their profits. It's like getting a slice of the pie without having to bake it yourself. Now, why is this so attractive, you may ask? Well, it's a smart way to generate income while also potentially growing your investment over time. It's the best of both worlds. And what if I told you there's a way to supercharge these benefits? If that sounds like what you're after, then you'll be excited to learn about my new favorite ETF, which boasts a whopping 12% yield. So, what is this high-yielding wonder? It's the Prosperity Growth ETF, or Exchange Traded Fund. Now, you might be wondering, what's that? Well, think of the Prosperity Growth ETF as a basket filled with different types of investments, like stocks, bonds, or this basket allows you to easily diversify your portfolio, spreading out risk while also giving you the chance to profit from different sectors of the market. Now talk about why this particular ETF, the Prosperity Growth ETF, has stolen my heart. It's not just any ordinary fund. This one has a remarkable yield of 12%. That's right, 12%. That's a hefty return on your investment, and it's all thanks to the brilliant strategy behind the Prosperity Growth ETF. It carefully selects high-performing dividend-paying stocks, ensuring a steady income stream for its investors. Impressive, isn't it? But benefits of the Prosperity Growth ETF don't stop at its high yield. There's more to this story, and we're just getting started. Now let's delve into the key points about the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF that make it stand out. What's unique about this Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF is its investment strategy. It focuses on high dividend yielding stocks, a strategy that has been proven to generate strong, reliable income over time. These aren't your run-of-the-mill blue-chip stocks either. This Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF digs deep, sourcing dividend opportunities from sectors and industries far beyond the usual suspects. But it's not just about the strategy, it's also about the assets it holds. This Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF is diversified across numerous sectors and geographies, reducing the risk of any single investment dragging down the entire fund. It's like having an entire portfolio of high-yielding stocks neatly packed into one security. Now let's talk performance. The historical performance of this Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF has been nothing short of impressive. Despite the ups and downs of the market, this fund has consistently delivered high dividend yields year after year. This consistency is testament to the fund's robust strategy and diligent management. Of course, past performance is not a guarantee of future results, but it's a good indication of what this Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF is capable of. And let's not forget, this fund has a yield of 12%. That's right, 12%. That's a figure that's hard to ignore, especially when you consider the average yield of S&P 500 companies hovers around percent. The icing on the cake? It's easy to buy and sell shares of this Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF just like you would any other stock. This provides flexibility and liquidity, two features that are often overlooked but are crucial for any investment, and there you have it. A Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF with a robust investment strategy, a diversified portfolio of assets, an impressive track record, and a yield that puts most other investments to shame. Plus, it's easy to trade, offering flexibility and liquidity to boot. With all benefits, it's easy to see why the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF is now my favorite dividend income holding. After all, who wouldn't want a 12% yield?